Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to the class of economics. Uh, Dear students, today we are going to learn a little bit about Indian economics during the time of independence when we got how our economy is and how our economy was. So, here, before getting into the crux of the topic, we need to understand little bit basic prior to going to prior to going through this chapter. See, we got independence during 1947. That's the history. But at the time of getting the independence, Indian economy is not in very rainbow colors. It is in very gray, very much gray in color, and it has got its own problem. Like, our economy was not at all consistently doing good, and our people were poor. This is all we are knowing, and we had very less amount of literacy. Now, this is the basic idea everyone is having, dear students. Now, let's get into exactly why we are like in that status, why our people were poor, why our country was poor. Let's get into actually. So, this we can understand by taking this question like, what is the real reason for India's poorness? The real reason for India's poorness is British policy, that is, British economic policy as well as political policies. Now, let's understand what is the objective of British economic policy or British political policy. See, the major aim of British economic policy was to make Indian country as a feeder of agricultural raw material. Very specific and simple, to make Indian as an agricultural feeder or agricultural supplier of agricultural raw material supplier to Britain. This is the major objective of Britain economic policy or Britain political and economic policy. Now, let's understand uh, the overall Indian economy by putting into six dimensions or six different aspects. The six different aspects in this chapter we are studying across is, first one is, every concepts or every aspects will come under economic condition, but economic condition is also one of the aspect. Please do remember, my dear students. So we study some of the aspects are economic conditions, agriculture sector, industrial sector, foreign trade, infrastructure, demography. These are the different aspects under which we are studying how we were during the time of Indian independence.